Welcome back to the GB How To channel. Today, I will show you how to clear app data on an Android phone. First, find the app you want to clear data for and long press its icon. Then, tap on the icon, App Info. The purpose of clearing data is to free up storage space and make the app run smoother. Select Storage. You can see that the app has stored nearly 1 GB of data. Now, select Clear Data. Tap Delete to confirm. The app's storage usage is immediately reduced. Now, let's reopen the app to see if it's working normally. It's working perfectly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.